You say you want to fly a paper airplane, but you don't know how. Well, I'm going to show you right now how to make an excellent paper airplane. It's easy. First, you fold lengthwise like this. Then, you fold the corner to the center like that. Then you fold the other corner toward the center. It's starting to shape up already. Then, you take the first corner that you folded and then fold it again inward like this. Don't worry about keeping it even. It's not going to be even. Now you do the other side again. Into the middle, so it's all triangle like that. Then you fold outward, and then you stop at the bottom of the wing right there. Where you're with your fold, it's easy. Just final up there, and then you turn around. You do it on the other side. And now, what you need to do is you take this wing and then fold it inside till it reaches like that. Reaches the back like that. And then you do that with the other side. Like so.